So I didn't like the idea that my ham radio had the potential to run out of batteries while I was camping or something off of just these batteries. All of these together generally give about a 9 volt input to the radio. So I set this little device to 9 volts. I could also use this one, which is a new one I just bought. This will do input from a solar panel at 5 volts, and then we'll step it up. I haven't tested it yet, but I will here shortly. And then I can connect power off of these to here. Power and power, and the radio's on. And it's listening to the police scanner right now. Maybe. So I have it on, listening to power, listen to the police scanner, and power is coming in there. It's coming off of that device, which is getting power off of that battery, which is fully functional. Now I'll try it off of a smaller one, off of that unit. Alright, here's the setup. Go solar panel from a cloudy sky. You have power coming off USB into here. This is currently reading, I don't know how to, 9, you can't see that very good, 9.6 output adjusted through this. Then we're coming positive and negative out. It's sitting right there. And those will connect to positive and negative on the radio. Worst case scenario, it's all sitting in my lap and I'll fry my legs off. See what happens. So I'm going to connect positive. Alright. I connected positive to negative. This negative comes in to the negative on the radio. This positives come positive into the radio. So that's sitting there listening. I can't move it right now to get the antenna vertical so it'll pick up something, but it is on the police scanning station. This comes into, it's doing a step up from this solar panel from 5 volts in to 9.5 volts out. I don't know what the amperage is, but I don't care because it's enough to power this, which means that I'm no longer subject to batteries. Just gotta clean up the wiring and make nice connectors on the back of the radio, and I'm good to go. So the way that this connects in now on the radio, I can actually make little plugs here. So that's an Icom ic-v8. It's durable as heck. I have a little bit longer antenna. You can see it's not a rubber duck, so it folds to be a little one. There you go. That's great.